HomeBakes, the recipe and meal planning tool crafted for the home baker. Home-cooked meals are at the heart of many family and friend groups around the globe. Where families are separated by distance or schedules, a food planning hub can be quite helpful. Here are the goals I set out to materialize with HomeBakes. First of all, I wanted a welcoming, intuitive, and easy UI. I wanted it to feel like home with a vintage look. I wanted there to be meal planning, heritage recipe storing and sharing, and shopping list creation. The initial wireframe design for HomeBakes was inspired by an idea of a recipe app with a 1950s feel. I have always loved the connotations that 1950s styled appliances bring along with them, as well as connotations from gingham fabric and thick cotton cardstock. I wanted the app to not only be useful and functional, but also feel like home and love. Every build comes with its unique challenges and opportunities. My first challenge was how to configure the database. I went with interdependent ingredient, recipe, meal plan, and shopping list collections, all deployed on Firebase with its unique suite of tools. I also wanted ingredient uniformity among recipes while allowing users to add unique ingredients to the list. I solved this by adding an admin suite of tools so admins could edit and approve requested ingredients. The user interface design challenge was to keep the look and feel of home while adding modern tools, a goal I feel I accomplished. I'm excited about the growth opportunities for this app. By adding features such as social media and recipe recommendations based on meal plans, I feel that this app could grow. Here's our HomeBakes website. The account setup process is very easy and includes a user adding their email address, password, and authenticating their email address, which brings them to the landing page of their kitchen. In the kitchen, you can add a personalized picture to the fridge, check out your recipes, meal plans, and shopping lists. Let's go to recipes. Recipes can be searched many different ways. We have our unique tabs here on the right-hand side, and we can search by different recipe book categories, which is really exciting. At the top, as you can see, there is also a recipe search. To set up a new recipe, we simply click on our new recipe button and add our recipe name, the meal type, the category of the recipe, and any ingredients we want, as well as the amounts and the units. Once our recipe is completed, we are able to see things such as calorie counts and allergens that each ingredient populates to our recipe. As we scroll down, we see that we add servings, and this helps us to calculate our total recipe calorie count. Once that's saved, we can see the calorie count there at the bottom. Now that we go back to home, let's set up a meal plan. We can delete out days off of our meal plan, add meals to our plan, and we can even add extra meals if we'd like. I'm going to delete those extras out, and we can see our meal plan here. From our meal plan, we can now populate a shopping list that automatically populates with all the ingredients we need. We can take out ingredients we don't need because we have already and save our shopping list with an appropriate name so we can save and share. We can also print our shopping list as needed. And we'll move back to our recipes, and I'll show you we can also print and download recipes from our recipe collections. This helps with sharing recipes with families and friends, and as you can see, we also have allergen counts. Now let's log out and log back in as an admin. In the admin section, admins can search for ingredients. They can also edit and delete ingredients. And in the edit, they can change things such as allergens, calories, and units. There's also a pending submission section where admins can add or edit a user's request. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy HomeBakes. Thank you for your time. Here's my contact information, and if you get the chance, check out HomeBakes.